This is the Roku Express. It's a really easy-to-use HD streaming device that comes with lots of free content. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I've also used other top competitive streaming devices in the past as well. So how does the Roku Express compare? There are some interesting things that may make it perfect for some people. Inside the box, there is the Roku Express device, a remote control, 2 AAA batteries, a high-speed HDMI cable, a USB power cable, and an adhesive strip. To set up the Roku Express, first connect it to your TV using the HDMI cable provided. Then plug the power adapter into an outlet to get your power source. Insert the batteries into the remote control and use the adhesive strip to attach the Roku Express device to your TV in a way that the remote control can have it in its line of sight. Turn your TV on and switch it to the correct HDMI input source. Press home on the remote and follow the steps to finish up the setup. Once you've chosen a language, choose your Wi-Fi network from the list provided and wait for the Roku Express to download the latest software updates. Create a Roku account and you're good to go. The main menu on the Roku Express is fairly simple and intuitive. This is where you access the content that you want to stream. There are lots of categories to choose from, including live, free features, streaming, sports, and more. You can use the search function to find specific things there. There is tons of great free content provided with Roku Express, and subscription services that you stream like Netflix, Disney, YouTube, and Spotify can be accessed here too, so all your content is together in one spot. The home screen is customizable by using the Move Channel or Remove Channel selections from the options on the menu. I found it really easy to set up a home screen that had the content I wanted organized based on how much I use each of them. This really increases the convenience factor of the Roku Express. The streaming quality is very high with HD viewing in 1080p and 720p resolutions. It has Dolby encoded audio that supports DTS digital surround, Dolby Audio, and Dolby Atmos. This all makes for incredibly immersive viewing. The Roku Express includes more than 100 free live TV apps, which is really handy, and it also gives access to Roku original content on the Roku channel. The remote control is really clear and easy to use. It has only the buttons you need to stream, including shortcuts to popular apps. It doesn't control your TV like some of the higher-end streaming devices, but to me the simplicity of use more than makes up for that. The Roku Express is compatible with major smart home and voice technology including Google Home, Alexa, Apple Home, and Apple AirPlay, which is super convenient. And Roku updates the software regularly with new features, and Roku users get these updates automatically, including new apps, features, and more. When people come to visit, they can use their own app accounts and subscriptions by using guest mode on the Roku Express. They get to enjoy free content, live TV, and music, or try out any of the 100+ apps that Roku offers. In guest mode, your visitors will not be able to access the owner's apps, make unauthorized purchases, or influence recommendations. The Roku Express is compact and not noticeable, and it can be extremely portable. Just unplug it from the TV, throw it in a bag, and take it along when you're going to a friend's house or even on vacation. All you need is an HDMI-compatible display and Wi-Fi access. The Roku Express is a fantastic piece of tech to easily access all types of streaming content in HD resolution. It has an easy-to-use, customizable home screen, and it enables access to lots of free content along with your preferred subscription services for movies, TV, music, and more. It integrates with popular smart home and voice technologies like Google Home or Alexa, and it supports HD picture quality and Dolby-enabled audio for really immersive viewing. Well, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.